Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to sell on eBay using Alibaba. Okay, so just a disclaimer, this is a manual drop shipping. So if you're looking for a video that will help you to sell on eBay using Alibaba without, spending your money on drop shipping. Okay, so what we're going to do here first is to log into our eBay account. And then once we are here, okay, so let us open a new tab. And of course, we have to log in to our Alibaba account as well. Okay, then after that, let us open our Alibaba and we are going to look for a product that we are going to sell on our eBay store. Okay, so there are so many categories here in Alibaba, and then there are so many products that we can use. Okay, so for example, maybe to make this video simple as possible, I would like to sell this iPhone case on my eBay store. Okay, so right here we have this the name or the title of this product, as well as the rest of the details of this product. So the price, the variant of the products, the brand of this product as well. Okay, so we have to take note to all of these details because we're going to use that later on. So let's go back here in our eBay store. So what we're going to do here is to simply click on the sell option at the top right. And then you'd be able to see this option where you can list an item. So you just have to click on list an item and you'd be directed to this page. So right here, you just have to start your listing. So you just have to tell them about what you're selling. So let's go back on Alibaba. And then let us just copy the name or the title of this product. Okay, so just click on copy and then go back here and then you just have to paste here the title. And then just click on the search icon. Okay, and then right here, if you find a match, okay, to the product that you are looking for, then that is an advantage because you don't have to manually type out all of the details of the product. But of course, I'm going to teach you if you cannot find a match. So you just have to click on continue without a match. And then right here, you just have to select the condition of your items. Of course, it should be new. And then after that, you just have to click on continue to listing. Okay, and then just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here, we just have to complete our listing. So of course, the first step is to upload our photos or videos. Okay, and then we have here the item category, the specifications of the items, and then the additional, and then of course the description as well as the prices, the payment method, and then more. Okay, so we're going to talk about that later on. So let us first get the photos or videos of this product. So right here we can manually download or take a screenshot of the product's images. Okay, but of course there are many extensions that we can use in order to automatically download all of the details of the product from Alibaba. So for example, just have to open a new tab, and then of course you have to type out something like Alibaba image downloader extension, so something like that. And then if you find matches from your searches, then just have to click on it and then add that extension to your browser to automatically download all of the details of this product, of course. But for this video, I'm going to show you on how you can manually save the images of this product. So to do that, if you have a snipping tool on your PC or laptop, we can use that to take a screenshot of the images. Okay, so I'm just going to use the images of this product. So you just have to open your snipping tool and then go ahead and click on the camera icon. And then you just have to take a screenshot for this one. Okay, so for this video, I'm just going to use 2 images to make this video shorter. And then you just have to save it in your folder. Okay, so you just have to click on save after that. And then right here, let me take this one as well. Okay, so you just have to open your snipping tool again and then save it in your folder. Okay, so after saving this images in your folder, you just have to go back on eBay. Okay, so let us now go back on eBay. And then right here, just have to simply click on this icon. And after that, you just have to click on open and then your photos or videos will be uploaded right here. So right here we have the title, so we don't have to change this one for now. And then for the item category, you can change this if you want to. So right here for the item specification, so we can get the details of the item specification if we go back to Alibaba. So what we're going to do is to simply copy those specifications or those details, and then we just have to paste it right here. Okay, if this product has brand, then you can add a brand. And for the type of this product, so you can also add this because this field is required. Okay, you have to take note of that. So let's go back on Alibaba and get some of the details. Okay, and then after that, if you would like to add, additional item specifications, then it can go to this section right here. But since this is just an optional, category, I'm just going to leave this one. Okay, so we have this different sections right here. Okay, we also have the colors. So if you got multiple colors, then just have to select it. And then right here for the crucial part, here in the description section, we have to tell or to be honest with our customers that this product is not originally from our eBay store. Okay, so we have to tell them that this product is originally from Alibaba. So for example, okay, so this product is originally from Alibaba. So we are only selling this in our store to give our customers more products. So if you wish to continue purchasing this product, just purchase this in our store and it will be delivered at your door. But by the way, you can use different online tools to have the best or a better description. Okay, like ChatGPT, you can use that. So after that one, let us proceed to the pricing. So here under pricing, we have to take note that we should not sell this product too much. Okay, so we have to go back here in Alibaba and look at the price. So maybe we're just going to raise the price of the product, but take note that it should not be too much. Okay, so for example, we are going to sell this product for $2. Okay, and then right here for the format, it should be buy it now, and of course you have to check this require immediate payment since we are selling this product from Alibaba and not from our store. So after filling out all of the important details, we just have to click on listed, and then once your customer purchases product, then we are going to get their information. Okay, so what we're going to do is to go back to Alibaba and purchase this one. So since we have the details of our customers, their delivery address as well as their phone number, so all of their details, so we just have to manually order this one and fill the important details using their information. So that's the reason why we should be honest to our customer, because once they receive the product, of course the packaging would be from Alibaba. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.